we want to find theta such that cosine theta equals -1/2. The theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So what are we going to do here? We look at this diagram, okay? Because what we know, cosine theta is defined as x. So now we can see here x equals -1/2 here, and we take a look, -1/2, we find here there's 1 and equals -1/2, and we also find this equals -1/2. Okay, so therefore, and we can see, and corresponding this -1/2, your theta actually equals 2 pi over 3. And corresponding this -1/2, and your theta is 4 pi over 3. So therefore, that theta gonna be 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Okay, again here, don't try to use your calculator. All you need to do is to check this diagram. And similarly, you can find anything like so. For example, if you want to find a sine theta equal to square root 3 equal to 2, square root 3 over 2, you can do same thing here. If you want to find a theta between 0 and 2 pi, because sine theta equals square root 3 over 2, and sine theta is defined as y. So now you're going to see, okay, which angle the sine, okay, the y coordinate is equal to square root 3 over 2. So you can see here this is 1, and there this is 1, okay, that's y equals square root 3 over 2. But rest of them, they are negative. So only this 2. So therefore, for this case, you can see theta equal to, and here we have this pi over 3 all and 2 pi over 3. You have 2 values. Okay, similarly, you can do any kind of a function, and you can do that too. Okay, so for example, if you try to figure out tangent theta, okay, equal to, say for example, equal to square root 3 there. But we know tangent actually equal to and y divided by x. Y divided by x. You just want to know that the ratio between y and x is equal to square root 3 there. Okay, because this is a positive. So therefore, what you have, a tangent is a positive either in the first quadrant or third quadrant. So therefore, you're going to look here in the first quadrant, okay, y divided by x equal to square root 3. So here, y divided by x, square root 3 divided by 2 divided by 1/2, that equal to square root 3. So therefore, you can see that's case theta equal to pi over 3. But all you can use the third quadrant. Third quadrant, what you have here, you can see here we have both negative. Negative square root 3 divided by 2, then divided by x, which is -1/2. Okay, so here negative square root 3 divided by 2, -1/2 divided by 2, that's also equals to positive 3. So if you look at this function, the angle, which is 4 pi over 3, therefore you have a 4 pi over 3, okay? And similarly, you can do any of those.